Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are going to look how we can view the reward store or where we can find the reward store on your Bharatpe app. For that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the reward section on the bottom right corner. Just go to the reward section right here, and when we tap on the reward section, in here we just need to scroll down for a bit. So when we scroll down, in here we can just see the reward store right here. So we can see we can buy the Apple Watch when we have up to 2000 coins right here, and we can see the air conditioner, iPhone AirPods. So just choose whichever reward that you need to redeem. So this is where we can view the reward store on your Bharatpe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.